Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux, that is WSL2 on Windows 11 operating system. We can install WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11 by using command prompt or PowerShell. Open command prompt or PowerShell as administrator. Click on Run as Administrator. Run WSL -- install. Another option is open command prompt as administrator. Click on Run as Administrator. Then run the same command WSL -- install. Okay. In this video, I am going to install WSL by using PowerShell. Then press enter. What this command did, it has downloaded kernel and downloaded the Ubuntu. To complete this operation, we have to reboot our machine. See, after reboot, this terminal or prompt or this tool opened and it is asking us to create default Unix user account. Provide the username. Provide the password for the same user. See, installation successful and version is Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. LTS means long-term support. You want to verify more /etc os-release. See, the Ubuntu version is 20.04 LTS. Now open PowerShell as administrator. Now, if we want to see list of installed Linux distributions and its versions, we have to run the command WSL-n-v. See, name is Ubuntu and version is 2. Its state is running. To update WSL kernel on Windows 11, we have to run the WSL-update. Has installed updates successfully. But to effect the changes, we have to restart WSL by running the command this one, that is WSL shutdown. Now, if you want to see list of the available WSL distros for Windows 11, run the command WSL -- list, then online. See, these are the distros available. If you want to install any one of them, just give WSL -- install -d, then we have to provide the distro name. Here distro names are any one of these. If you want to install Kali Linux, just give the name Kali - Linux and press enter. I am not going to install, but that is the command to install the specific distro. So in this video, we have seen how to install WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.